Welcome back everyone. In our today's video, we are going to discuss about the Proteus software. Before going to start about the Proteus software, we have to know about the Proteus. It's an electronic simulation software used by students and engineers to design, test and simulate their circuits virtually. When you open the Proteus, you will see its main working window called as Graphical User Interface GUI. This interface is where we design our circuits, pick components and simulate them. Let's explore each section of the Proteus graphical user interface in detail. When you see the current window, on the very top of the graphical user interface, there is options like File, Edit, View, Tool, Design, Graph, Debug Library, Template, System, Help, etc. This bar is going to be called as menu bar. The menu bar is one which is at the very top of the graphical user interface. So by using this menu bar, we will have so many options under the file category as new project, like for creating a new project, opening a project which already have been saved. Okay, in order to save a project, we have a option save project as by using some name, etc. By using for print design, print setup, etc. Like for edit, in the edit option, it will allow us to undo or redo the changes. Like weave, zoom in and zoom out options will be there in the view, and like that we will have so many things in the menu bar. This is the first menu bar which is at the very top of the window. Next one is toolbar. This is exactly down to the menu bar. It is a toolbar. Toolbar is nothing but it will allows us to use the shortcuts, icons for commonly used functions. Whatever the menu bar will provide us, the same options will be provided with the by the toolbar as well, but here we will have some shortcut icons. Now next to the toolbar, there is a left side panel. This is a left side panel which is a vertical bar on the left side of the screen, contains tools for designing circuits. For example, this is a P which means pick devices. If we require any component or a device to build our circuit, we have to click on P, so it will get one prompt here. From this pick devices, whatever the component we require, we have to type here. For example, if I need NAND gate, the IC number of NAND gate is 7400. I have to use the keyword here, and after typing the keyword, I have to press enter so that the 7400 component will be added here in the list. Similarly, whatever the components, whatever the devices I require to build our circuit, I have to select from the pick devices option. In addition to that, we will have so many options on the left side panel, like selection mode, component mode. So if next one is generator mode, probe mode, virtual instruments mode, etc. So whatever the components or instruments we require to build our circuit, to test our circuit, that everything we have to pick from the left side panel. So now right side of the left side panel, this is a working space. This is the main area in which we are going to build our circuit. This working space or design workspace is also called as schematic area, the central area where you build your circuit by drag and drop components here, and we can connect See, we have added the component here. In order to connect the different components, we have to connect a wire. We have to connect a wire like this, and we have zoom and pan option also for better visibility. Like this is the zoom option. We can zoom the working area in order to get a better visibility of our circuit. So up to so far we have discussed 4, that is, first one is a menu bar, next one is a toolbar, left side is a vertical section, vertical bar, that is a left side panel, and this is a design workspace or schematic area. Next to that, it is a simulation control panel. The simulation control panel will have start button, after the start button we have stop button, pause button. Okay, to stop the simulation, to pause the simulation we have a pause button, to advance the simulation, to run the simulation. These 4 buttons are called as simulation controls. Usually simulation controls are located at the top, either at the top or bottom of the graphical user interface. But in this Proteus software, the simulation control panel is located at very bottom of the graphical user interface, and this simulation controls is used to simulate your circuit once the design has been completed. Once you build your circuit, if you want to test your circuit whether it is working properly and giving the output or not, you have to use this one, simulation control panel. Exactly aside of the simulation control panel we have message or output panel. This message or output panel displays errors, warnings or simulation messages. Currently I haven't run any circuit on the design workspace, so that's why I haven't get any messages here. So this message or output panel is helpful for us to debug our circuit. Okay, this is what about the graphical user interface of the Proteus software. Knowing the graphical user interface help us to work faster and smarter. Okay, stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. In the upcoming videos, we will start designing the basic logic circuits by using this Proteus software. Stay tuned for the upcoming content. If you like my presentation, like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.